I do this? I used milk, water mixed it in, water, put it inside, and I mixed it very well. It's so yummy. Try it. And this banana chocolate bread. Wapalo. That's why I can only take a scoop. It's very cool. So bye guys. See ya. Peace.